What I have here is shrimp egg noodles. I'll show you the packet. Shrimp egg noodles. That's Wonton. I've got onions, spring onions, pachoi, mushroom, XO chicken flavor, and I put a little ginger on it because it's nice. I've got salt for flavor, and also I've got sesame oil. So what I have here is a boiling water. I've got boiling water here. And I've got two. This one is for the soup and this one is for the noodles, because what I'm going to do for soup noodles, we have to put ginger, salt, XO chicken cubes, spring onions, and boiled it for a few minutes. Then mushroom, and boil them until it's cooked. It doesn't take long, about a few minutes, probably about like. So while we are waiting for the wonton to cook, what I'm going to do is cook the noodles in the boiling water for 3 minutes. When you cook noodles, it should be quick. Everything is ready. So wait for 3 minutes. You take it out in the water and put them in a bowl. Meanwhile, I'm going to put wonton. So I'm going to put about 8. So once the wonton is floating in the water, that means that they are cooked. At the moment, they're not floating yet. Maybe wait for about another 2 minutes. And then after that, we're going to put the vegetable and it's ready. Now the noodles is ready. It's about 3 minutes. So what I'm going to do is turn it off and take the noodles out in the water. Put in a bowl. A vegetable is ready to go in. To garnish it, I put some sesame oil. A dash of sesame oil. And here it is, my wonton noodles. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Bye.
Bye. Very delicious. Do you like it?
Yeah, I can't wait.
You can't wait, didn't you? Okay.
Yeah.